This is the best egg salad sandwich recipe ever. I really cannot imagine making it any other way now. Let me show you how I make it. First, let's boil some eggs. I use 6 large eggs for this recipe. Add them to a pot and boil the eggs until they are hard-boiled, which takes about 13 minutes. You want the yolks fully set so the filling turns out rich and creamy, not jammy. Then drop the eggs in cold water and let them sit until they are cool enough to handle. This also helps loosen the shell and makes peeling so much easier. Once all the eggs are peeled, take a sharp knife and carefully cut them in half. Be careful so the yolks do not crumble too much, and try to remove them in one piece, as you see me doing here. Next, take a fine mesh sieve and place it over a bowl. Add the yolks and press them through with the back of a spoon. This will make them soft and fluffy, which helps give the filling a smoother, creamier texture. Next, finely chop the egg whites into small pieces. Try to keep the pieces fairly even so the filling has a nice texture and mixes together more easily. Then, add the chopped egg whites to a mixing bowl. Then, add the egg yolks. Then add half a teaspoon of white granulated sugar, an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add a 1/3 cup of mayo and mix everything together really well until the filling looks creamy, smooth, and evenly combined. I like to use brioche buns for this egg salad sandwich because they are soft, light, and slightly sweet, which goes really well with the creamy filling. They also make the sandwich feel a little extra special, but white bread works great too if that is what you have. If you liked this egg salad sandwich recipe, then be sure to check out my latest recipes here too. Check it out now!